Yeah, guys, so I took this off. As you guys can see, the sway bar link is pretty messed up, and as always, eBay sent me the wrong sway bar link, so I'm not able to put it in. But with it off, moving this back and forth just to make sure that there's no movement. There's no movement on the sway bar, so the bushing is good. I'm not going to change out the bushing just to change out the bushing at this point, because I mean, if this was loose, you guys can see I'm tugging on it. If this was loose, I would definitely have to change it out, but since it's not loose, what is this gum doing here? Oh my gosh. Anyway, definitely gonna have to wait for the sway bar lines to come in. Nothing else looks like doesn't look like there's an issue of anything else except for the strut. So I'm definitely gonna have to change out the strut, which is I didn't even notice that. I didn't even notice this. Like, I just noticed this just now when I took it off. I should have checked this out. There was yeah, this is broken.